Hi there, I'm Alexander Turnbull and I'm here today to talk to you about two of my very favourite wigs. So this right here is Breezy Waves from the Muse collection, and this is in Dusty Rose. So Breezy Waves has been so popular and it is beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. So out here we have next to me Braylen. Now Braylen is new from the Amore Collection and this is in Cashmere Brown SR. Now SR stands for soft root. So what a soft root is it's not got such a harsh line from the regrowth to where the highlights or the lighter colour may be. It's slightly softer. So Braylen is very similar to Breezy Waves. But with our Amore Collection, basically all of our wigs can be worn for medical needs, can be worn for fashion, can be worn for anything that you wish. However, Amore tends to be a little bit more catered towards that medical market. So, although we have the wonderful Breezy here, which is nice and light and loose, we've got Braylen, and I just want to talk to you about Braylen from a medical standpoint. So, if I turn her inside out, like all of the wigs in the Amore Collection, she's double monofilament, she's lace fronts, and she has adjustable straps in at the nape. Now, if any of you watch me on a regular basis, you'll see that I love to move the wigs around. I feel I get a real strong sense of the style when I can hold the wig and touch it and, you know, be tactile with the fibre. So just giving that a shake through. That's Braylen with this gorgeous curl pattern. And this is in the new colour, Cashmere Brown SR. And this is Braylen in the Amore Collection. So let's have a little recap on Breezy Waves. I'm just going to put Braylen back on our mannequin. And I'm just going to have a look at the Breezy Waves. So Breezy Waves is a different fibre. So Breezy Waves is a high heat fibre, whereas Braylen is not. Braylen is as it comes, so you would not put heat on that. So Breezy's a high heat fibre. She's a machine made cap, so which will mean she's got a little bit of permatease on the top. So the permatease will give you a bit of body. It's very light permatease, so it's not creating too much lift. I'm just going to turn her inside out. So you see she's a machine-made cap, and again, she has adjustable straps in at the nape. So when I turn that, and like I said, I like to see the wigs move and how tactile they are. This feels great. So this one is Breezy Waves, and this is in Dusty Rose. Why would you choose Braylen over Breezy or Breezy over Braylen? Personal choice. You know, if you want something a bit more heat friendly that you could change the fibre with, you know, then Breezy's one for you. Then Breezy also comes in a lot more of the more vibrant colours, which you see in the Muse collection, whereas Braylen comes in the more natural kind of colours. If you're not too bothered about heat friendly fibres and don't necessarily want to straighten one day or curl the next, and you like this texture as it is, then that's a great idea to just go with the Braylen. And also, if you like that a little bit more natural parting, then Braylen would be a good choice for you because it has the double monofilament. So, out of the two wigs, do I have a favourite? No, I like them both the same. I think they're both gorgeous, and I see the benefits of both wig caps, of both sets of colours and both designs from each collection, but they are beautiful. So thank you for tuning in with me today, and Braylen, and Breezy Waves. I'm Alexander Turnbull from René in Paris and Aderans. And remember, follow us on all forms of social media. Leave us some comments below on which of these two styles that you like or you might be trying next. And we'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.